Okay, so now that we've learned a lesson, let's try some practice together. All right. Again, the slope-intercept form is, let's rewrite this up here. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So numbers 1 through 4, write an equation of a line in slope-intercept form with the given slope and y-intercept. So all we're doing is rewriting the equation y equals mx plus b, and they're telling the slope m is 1/4. So 1/4x, y-intercept is 3, that means the b is a positive 3, so you're going to write plus 3. And that's all there is to it. Okay? So number 2, slope is 3/2, y-intercept is -4, that means y equals 3/2 x, don't forget to write the x, and because the y-intercept is -4, instead of +4, we're going to write -4. Simple as that. Alright, numbers 5, 6, 7, write an equation in slope-intercept form for each graph shown. Okay, so here we have a graph, and they're telling you to write in slope-intercept form, again, y equals mx plus b. So, y equals, slope is rise over run, so I'm going to count how many rows, 1, 2, over, how many did I run? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 2/5x, and my y-intercept here is at 2, so it's a positive 2, so I'm going to write plus 2. Okay, try one more. Y equals, slope is rise over run. Let's see how many I rise. 1, 2, 3. And how many I run? 1, 2. X. And my y-intercept is 3, so I'm going to write plus 3. Okay. Alright. Numbers 8, 9, 10. For these problems, they are giving you the equation and they want you to graph on here the linear equation. So we are always starting with the y-intercept. That's a positive 2. That means 1, 2. Put a dot there. And from this point, rise 1, run 2 to the left. Always when it's a negative, you're going to run to the left. Let's rise 1, run 2 to the left, 1 and 2. There's another point. Connect the 2 dots. And if you have a ruler, it would be preferably a nice line if you use a ruler to connect those 2 dots. Okay. When it's not in y-intercept form, all you have to do is make it into y-intercept form. So right now it's not y equals, it's 3y equals. So let's get rid of the y by dividing by 3 on each side. And when you do that, you have an equation y equals 2/3x minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. So now we have this equation to graph. So again, you're going to always start with your y-intercept, which here is a -2. So 1 and 2 are -2, and your rise over run is 2/3. So 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Here's my other point. Connect the 2 points, and there's your equation. And hopefully yours is a nice line than mine. Okay. Alright, moving on to a word problem here. Writing. Carla has already written 10 pages of a novel. She plans to write 15 additional pages per month until she is finished. Write an equation to find the total number of pages P written after any number of months M. So your total number of pages P it's going to equal. She's writing 15 pages per month. So 15 times M per month. She's already written 10 pages. So you're going to add the 10 pages that she's already written. There's your equation. Second part, graph the equation on the grid at the right. So you're again starting with the y-intercept plus 10. So they're counting by 20s here. So I'm going to put the midpoint right here. And that's my y-intercept. From there, you rise 15. And 15 is always the same as 15 over 1. So 15 over 1. So you're going to rise from 10. You're going to rise 15. That'll be 25. And you're going to run 1. So there's my other spot. My 2 points. Connect the dot in a straight line. Okay. Last part, find the total number of pages written after 5 months. So you're going to use your equation P equals 15M plus 10. Plus 10. Instead of M, you're going to substitute it for 5. So now you have 15 times 5 plus 10. And this is going to equal 15 times 5 is 75 plus 10. And you have 85 pages. That means after 5 months, Carla would have written 85 pages. Okay, and there you go.